I'm really not sure how long I needed hearing aids because it's one of those things that just kind of progresses, but I would imagine for about 10 years I've needed them. And just never, put it off because it was too expensive, all the stories you hear. I had injured my ears when I was 16. I loved to shoot target, and ear protection slipped out, and I'm 58 now, so since I was 16 I've had this ringing in my ears, which has gotten progressively worse. And finally this summer my wife said we're just going to have to do something. And I'm a teacher too, and it was getting very difficult to hear the students, which when you're a teacher, you don't want to ignore a student, and I found I was ignoring some students who were trying to get my attention. I just couldn't hear them. And so we came and got the hearing aids, and it's just like a whole new world. The ringing has definitely gone way down, and at times it's just gone completely. When I'm there in silence, you pick it up, but if it's completely silenced, but I can hear, even when the ringing is there, it's not as bad, and I can still hear through it. I can hear conversations, I can hear people with low-pitched voices I normally couldn't hear, I can hear through noise. I very seldom have to say, I'm sorry, what'd you say, excuse me, which makes me feel a lot better, and it just feels like the whole world is opened back up to me again. And if you're thinking about getting hearing aids, do it. You cannot afford not to.